John. We're at home today and we are going to make a beer can turkey for Easter Sunday. So we have our can of our Crowler of beer from the Westport Brewing Company. So excited to use that. We have all our ingredients. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make a rub for our turkey. And I'm also going to add a little bit of paprika as well. So we have our rub. We're going to go grab our turkey. So the turkey, we're going to empty it all out, make sure all the insides are gone. And we're going to dry it off with a little bit of towel. And then we're going to rub it with our rub and a little bit of olive oil. Be right back. I'm going to grab the turkey. Okay, so I've got my can of beer with all the glue off. I'm just going to dry the can off. And we'll have that all ready right here. So, good sized turkey. I have to dry it off with some towels to get all the moisture off of this chicken, or this turkey. And then I'm going to put some onions and jalapenos and apple on the top end of it. We're going to fill this guy up with some onion, jalapeno, and apple to give it some flavor. As it cooks down, it'll roast down into it. Alright, so I have a jalapeno here. I'm not going to get too fancy with this stuff. I'm going to just like that, I'm going to throw these jalapenos right down the side of here. I'm going to add a little bit of apple. Put that down there as well. If you notice, my wife never hangs around when I'm cooking because I always make a pretty big mess. So the beer can will be last, but because we're not going to use all of this can of beer, we're going to take a bit out of it out. So it's always recommended that you open this guy up, let it breathe a little. We're going to pour just a little glass here for ourselves. And that's what we are using today in our beer can turkey. And it has hints of chocolate and coffee in it. So along with the coffee rub, it should have a really nice kind of rich kind of flavor. So I'm pretty excited. It should taste pretty awesome. It's going to take about 3 hours on the barbecue. It's a pretty big bird. I'm going to go start the barbecue up. And we'll get that beer can tucked inside of this bird. The beer in the rear, and we'll get this thing on the grill and start cooking. It's 1:30, and so we should have this thing done by about, I think by 4 o'clock we'll be eating today. So fantastic, Kevin. That is such a fantastic beer right there. Full bodied. It's just a beautiful, beautiful ale. I love it. It's my favorite that they make. So good, so good, so good. I got you. Okay, so we have an extra can of beer out here. So this is what we're using again. Is the it's the Beaver Pond Trail Ale from the Westport Brewing Company. And we got our can that's open right here with about that much taken out of it for me. And now we're gonna feed this beer can up the bottom of the turkey. We got the beer can in there. We got the turkey sitting upright. I'm gonna tuck his wings somewhere. Put his wings like this behind his head. All right. Back on top there. There we go. Well, see you in 3 hours, turkey. Cheers. So it took a little bit longer than we anticipated. It's almost 6 o'clock, but we're up to 168. So we're good to go. So we're going to take this baby off of here right now. What I like to do when I'm doing my beer turkey is to take the leftovers and just kind of glaze it over top of that baby. It's so good. It's so good. Ooh.